Today we are going to be making a vegetable cassoulet with a celery gratin. Now, why? Because I was not content to have celery merely in the mille pois. I wanted to have him the star of the show. And this gratin will be celery, carrot, onion, mille pois. You want the onions to go a bit translucent. Doucement, low heat, gently, maybe at least 5 minutes, maybe 10. In goes some crushed garlic, 2 bay leaves, and some thyme. Some big pieces of celery. Last of all, a little white wine. This will slowly simmer for 20 minutes. Wow, that is so good. You know, who would have thought? Celery, onion, carrot, food of the gods. Now, the beans, some olives, and some double cream. In here are some Comté cheese and some hazelnuts. This will add the crunchy layer. The celery itself will be firm and the beans soft. It's a confection of textures and flavors. It's incredible. That is amazing, huh? Wow. Who's hungry?